Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. Yeah, the food is nice. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice.
Wagwan my YouTube family, welcome back to Briscoe's Kitchen. So today video I'm gonna share with you how I make my green season, my blending green season. So this is all my ingredients I have for my blending green season. Over here I have some cilantro, I have some scallions, I have some shallots, I have scotch bonnet pepper, I have ginger, I have some fresh thyme, I have one bell pepper, which is sweet pepper, I have some parsley, I have 2 onions, and I have some white vinegar here. I have some pimento. So now I'm gonna go ahead and prep my ingredients before I blend them. So now I prep all my ingredients, everything already washed and cut up. So now I'm going to blend with some white vinegar. Normally I used to use olive oil, but I'm using white vinegar this time. With the white vinegar, give it more preservative. So that much. If it need more, I'm going to add some more. Now I'm going to add these in my food processor blend. And I did add rosemary in it, so I don't remember if I call it out. So now I finished the blend. This is how it look after blend. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour it out in a mason jar. And this, you could use this to season whatever meat you're cooking. Anything at all you're cooking, you could use this to season your meat. Even if you're cooking veg, you could add this into your veg. So I'm gonna go ahead and buckle it out now.